What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we have an update on Dogecoin guys, which has gone absolutely crazy since the Bitcoin pump due to the election in the US. And as you guys can see, Bitcoin is currently trading at $86,000, which is absolutely insane, getting very close to $90,000. And today's focus is on Dogecoin, looking at it's pumped up so much. How high is it likely to go? Is it likely to crash anytime soon? So is it time to buy it? Is it too late? Should you sell it if you're on a profit, or should you simply hold on to it for the long term? That's what we will be going in today's video, looking at its short-term and long-term prediction, especially going into 2025. Is this a crypto to be holding on to as well? And essentially covering buyers and sellers point of view. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and we do have the Fibonacci scale on the screen right now, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis, especially that it has broken out from the red zone all the way up into the top tier level here in a space of about 3 to 4 weeks, which is quite exciting and worrying at the same time because it's pumped up so much. Is it overvalued? Is it likely to go for a price correction? But I will be going through that very shortly. For now, let me hide this and bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Dogecoin, which is here in purple at 18 cents. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in green at 32 cents. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we can see that the blue and the orange line are looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, they are looking a little bit too steep to be realistic. The reason why they're looking so steep is of course due to the major pump that's taken place over the last couple of hours here. So in the last 24 hours itself, it has pumped up just about 17%. So at the moment, I'm not expecting it to pump up at that rate. That is not realistic. However, over the next 12 to 14 hours, in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, I'm expecting Dogecoin to essentially hit around 35 to 36 cents in value is what I'm expecting. So yes, it is still an increase from where it is at the moment. However, do expect the odd red candles in between, where it's likely to take a little bit of a step back before it pumps back up in value. So again, 35 to 36 cents is where I'm expecting the crypto to trade at over the next 12 to 14 hours. Moving on to the hourly chart, exact same scenario here. We've got the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. And yes, they are looking quite steep once again, meaning this is not as realistic as it seems. So over the next 7 to 8 days, towards the end of this week, early next week, I'm expecting Dogecoin to have gone for an overall increase in value. But again, I'm also expecting red candles and red days in between, where it's likely to take a little bit of a step back down in value due to the fact of how much value it has gained over the last week. It is slightly overvalued and it is due for a little bit of a price correction. So over the coming days, you may see, not just for Dogecoin, but the crypto market in general, and especially Bitcoin, you may see take a little bit of a hit, a step back down in value, and then pumping back up towards the mid to end of next week. So overall, Dogecoin should be trading over the 38 to 40 cents target by the end of this week is what my expectations are. However, if you guys want regular updates on this crypto, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys, even on a daily basis. So Moving on to the daily chart here over the next couple of weeks, what can we see here? So again, we have the blue and the orange now looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and again it is looking way too steep to be realistic, guys. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks towards the end of December, so end of 2024, early 2025, I'm expecting Dogecoin to go for an overall increase in value. However, not as much as it seems, because as mentioned, price corrections and these things are always part of the process. I'm expecting it to take a hit as well towards potentially some early December. I'm expecting it to take a little bit of a step back down in value, as well as pumping up in late December. So quite of a wave, just like what's happened previously. So if I zoom out a little bit, we can see that yes, it's quite of a wave, guys, but right now it is up like crazy. So end of December, early 2025, I'm expecting the crypto to be hovering around the 50 cents target. So compared to how much it has gained over the last week, it is not much of an increase from where it is at the moment, because I'm also taking into consideration the dips that are likely to take place. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. We can see here that it has literally broken every resistance level with the resistance. So this is pretty much realistic, and yes, it has happened. However, I'm expecting it to drop back down a little bit below into the top tier level here before it breaks out, potentially heading to 45-50 cents towards the end of the year and early next year as well. But this graph proves to me that the crypto has been going at a decent increase in value. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has once again gone crazy, about 60% up in the last 24 hours, making the trading volume $19.25 billion in trading for Dogecoin, guys, which is absolutely insane. And as you guys can see, a month ago the trading volume was sitting at around $500 million, and right now is at near about $20 billion, guys. So that's how much attention this crypto has gained in the crypto market. And over the last 7 days, it has gone up over 100%, guys, which is again a very well, the increase is absolutely crazy. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. Let me know in the comment section down below, do you guys expect Dogecoin to hit the dollar mark in the next 6 months? Let me know, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And yeah, until then, take care and peace.